Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a zoom in and zoom out effect on your animation in Krita. First, let me show you a preview of the animation we will be working with before the zoom in and out effect is added. Now that you've seen the animation, let's get started. First, select the layers you want the zoom effect to be on. Then left-click and select Group, then click Quick Group to create a group with them. Next, click on the group layer and click the small down arrow at the bottom of the Layers tab. Then click Add Transform Mask. Now go to the Transform Mask layer and select the keyframe on the animation timeline where you want the zoom in to begin. Then go to the Animation Curve tab and click on the Scalar property tool that has the plus sign on it. Next, select the keyframe where you want the zoom in to stop. Then select the Transform Layer tool, hold down Shift to keep the proportions in check, and zoom in to where you want it. Then unselect the Transform tool and run the animation to see how it looks. Now for the zoom out. Select the keyframe on the animation timeline where you want the zoom out to begin. Go back to the Animation Curve tab and select the Scalar property tool with the minus sign on it. Select the keyframe where you want the zoom out to stop. Then select the Transform tool, hold Shift again and zoom back out. Unselect the Transform tool and run the animation to see how it looks. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and render your animation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching.